Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product unboxings and openings. Today I'm going to be reviewing a professional dress with amazing color. Basically it's just a boat neck with interesting seams that define curves with a cute little peplum that almost wraps all the way around. You can see that it kind of stops in the back a little bit, basically at the waist, and it hits you at your natural waist area. Oh, it's an asymmetrical peplum. Ooh, that's super interesting. Okay, so yeah, you can see that it's not like the same exact all the way around, which is gonna be, oh, I'm excited to try it on. And then the seams run all the way down, ooh, from the top to the bottom. So it's a really unified look. Here are the seams running down, continuing on all the way down to the bottom. Cool. Let's see if there's a slit. Oh, there's no slit for mobility. Oh, okay. And of course, you know, the zipper that goes all the way down for easy wear. And then the sleeves, I'm assuming this is gonna be all the way, this should be like the same length as this. So yeah, let me just go ahead and try this on. This dress is small, but the sleeves actually fit a little bit snug, probably because I've been working on my arms. It's snug, but it's still comfortable because of the fabric. It's like really nice and stretchy. Nice high neckline. Once again, as I said, the seams go down, down, all the way down, which gives that seamless look. And okay, so now I see it's actually an asymmetrical line and like not straight either, which makes for a very interesting peplum. Definitely not the typical, super cool, definitely fashionable, trendy, all that good stuff. And because it doesn't go all the way to the side, once again, it's just interesting. It's not necessarily an empire waist and it's not necessarily a natural waist. It's kind of like somewhere in between. And yeah, I mean, this asymmetrical look, I'm digging it. And the color is phenomenal. I mean, this is probably one of my favorite colors. So if you would like to purchase this dress, go ahead and check out the link below. It comes in all sorts of different colors, so take your pick what you want. It does run a little bit small, so if you don't like to wear like super tight, I would recommend probably going a size up. Make sure to check out the next video and subscribe so you can keep on seeing what I'm producing. And as usual, let me know what you think about the dress in the comments. Would you wear it? Would you not? Why or why not? What elements do you like about it? What elements don't you like about it? Want to hear from you. So I'll look forward to your comments. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.